Unlocking PF. Step by step and must know facts. 2 Comms Group. Hello everyone. Let's talk about EPF, your easy guide to saving for the future. What is EPF? It's a government savings plan started in 1952 to help you save money for retirement. Think of it like your own retirement fund. Who puts money in your EPF? You and your employer both do. Every month, you pay 12% of your basic salary plus dearness allowance. Your employer takes your 12% also contributes to your EPF account. Here's how the contribution is divided. 1. 3.67% goes to your Provident Fund. 2. 8.33% goes to your pension scheme. 3. 0.50% goes to employee deposit-linked insurance. 4. 0.50% is for admin charges. Now, the benefits you get from different PF schemes. Up first is the Employee Deposit-Linked Insurance Scheme, EDLI. It gives life insurance while you are working, at no extra cost. If something happens to you, your family can get up to 700,000 rupees. You don't pay anything extra for this. Next is the Employees Pension Scheme, EPS. This gives you or your family a monthly pension after retirement. If you have a permanent disability, or if you pass away, your spouse, kids, or nominee can get this pension. PF itself is a savings plan for emergencies or retirement. You get interest on your money and can withdraw some for things like education, marriage, medical help, or buying a house. Thank you.